Hello and welcome back to Mark Croucher RC for Fun. This is by way of a follow-up. In the last video I showed you a composite pilot that I've made. The top bust part of him has been 3D printed and the rest of his body has been made from blue foam. If you haven't seen that, I think you might find it interesting. Well, just for a bit of a change, and that's the joy of this hobby, that you can do different things depending on your mood and what you fancy doing. I decided I was going to paint them up, even though, as you can see, the model itself is a long way from being at the final stage. And there he is. He's not glued in place. He's removable. He'll be removable so I can get to the radio gear, which is underneath the seat. But I'm quite pleased with that. I think he's painted up well. I also think that I'll probably fly him with one of the doors in the down position. I've noticed that it's not uncommon to see that with tiger moths, particularly when they're taking off or landing. And as I'll be flying round fairly low, once the model's trimmed out, to get the most fun out of it, I think this will look really cool. There's a joystick to go in place. That can be manoeuvred so that he appears to be holding it. But there you go, painted up. He's got a sort of determined stare for a pilot. I need to put the rest of the hose on this part here. But never mind, there you go. I hope you enjoy this little journey. You've enjoyed the process that I've gone through to do this, and more importantly, perhaps you'll think about doing it yourself. So get that favourite tipple in hand, and why don't you get creative and subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Thanks, folks.